Standard 5th subject Maths, lesson number 3, addition and subtraction. Subtraction of 6 and 7 digit number. Study the following example. Subtract 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586. First we arrange the number. You have learned to carry out subtraction of 5-digit number. Now we subtract 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586. Arrange the numbers and then we subtract from ones place. We cannot subtract 6 from 3. So we borrow 1 from tens place. So on the tens place you write there 3. And here you ones place also you write there 13. 10 plus 3 13. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now on the tens place there is the 3. So we cannot subtract 8 from 3. So we borrow 1 from 8. So on the 100 place you write there 7 and on the tens place you write 10 plus 3 13. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. On the 100 place there 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 is greater than 5. So you subtract 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Again on the 1000 place also 7 minus 5. So you write there also 2. Now on the 10,000 place there is 0. 0 minus 2. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we borrow 1 from lakh place and here you write here 4 and you take 1 from lakh place and then it becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is equal to again you borrow 1 from 10 lakh place and so write here 5 and on lakh place you write here 14. So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5 and you write 5 minus 0 as it is 5. In second slide there is a subtraction of 6 and 7 digit number. There is a method 1. Now in third slide there is the method 2. Subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Learn to subtract by keeping the borrowed number in your mind without writing them down. Here is the number is 34,64,058 minus 27,04,579. 34,61,058 and 27,04,579. You write, arrange the numbers as it is and then you solve the sum. You solve the sums from ones place. Now here is the 8 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 8. Again same method from slide number 2. But you cannot write the numbers here. So you solve the directly. Wrote that 1 from 5 number, so you write there, don't write, only keep in your mind and there it is become at 4. So we cannot subtract 7 from 4, So there is the 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Again here you cut down 0 and write there 9. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. As it is, you write the 11. 11 cut down and you write there 10. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And again you cut down 6 and you write there 5. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Again you cannot subtract 7 from 4. So you write there 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. And then you write here, you cut down the 3 and you write there 2. So you write 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. You solve any method, method 1 or method 2. Subtraction by another method. Before subtracting one number from another, if we add 10 or 100 to both of them, the difference remains the same. Let us use this fact. Example, subtract 724 minus 376. You arrange the numbers 724 minus 376. As we cannot subtract 6 from 4, we shall add a 10 to both the numbers. For the upper number, we unite 1 tens. We add those 10 units to 4 units to get 14 units. We write the tens added to the lower number below it in the tens place. We subtract 6 units from 14. So now we cannot subtract 7 plus 1, that is 8 tens from 2 tens. So we add 100 to both the numbers. For the upper number, we unite the 100 and add the 10 tens to 2 tens. To add the 100 to the lower number, we write it below in the hundreds place. 12 tens minus 8 tens is 4 tens, and 700 minus 3 plus 1, that is 400, is 300s. Hence the difference is 348. Then 724 minus 376, answer will be 348. Now second example is 4,05,825 minus 9,876. You arrange the number as it is and solve the same method. Next topic is word problem. Study the following word problem. In 2001, the population of city was 21,43,567. In 2011, it was 28,09,878. By how much did the population grow? In problem set 9, we solve word problems of addition. I told you there are some keywords about addition like altogether, sum, then total. Like this, here are also some keywords about the subtraction. In this word problem, there is a question is there, how much did the population grow? Population grow. Like this, in problem set 12 also, there are some keywords. Still needs, then did they produce, exceed the number, exceed their targets. These are the keywords of subtraction. You see that keyword and solve the sum of subtraction. In this lesson, addition and subtraction, we solve problem set 8 and 9. There is the addition, sum of addition. And on problem set 11, 12 and 13, problem set 11 and 12, there is the sum of subtraction. Now we solve the problem set 13. In problem set 13 there are the mixed examples. Mixed example means addition and subtraction. Both the operations you can do. And here are the 4 word problems in problem set 13. You read that word problems carefully and solve the sums. You find out the keywords altogether and total, and then you add that sums, and then if there is keywords like population grow, exceed, still needs, then that time you subtract that and you solve the sums. Here is one word problem for you, and then there are 2 methods. I will give here only one method. If you want to solve with method 1, then you open your textbook page number 14 and see the method number 1. In this slide I will give you here method 2. You study that example and solve problem set 13. For homework, solve problem set 11, 12 and 13. Problem set 10 is not for exam.